All right, so when you get that link that I sent you, go ahead and click on it. I have it already loaded in my computer, but you can do it on your phone. You are going to scroll down to where it says search, fill it in. And don't put anything for the city. And then click filter jobs. Once you do that, it will bring you to a list of all the jobs in Kentucky. The first one is in Erlanger. Don't click on that one. Click on the second one where it says Hebron, Kentucky. It gives you a little bit about the job overview. And I'm hoping that this is the right one because it says shift flexibility. And right here it says you can have 4-day weeks, 3-day, or anytime shifts where you can work as little as 4 hours per week, which is what I do. So you'll click apply. All right, go next. Start application. So you'll put the email or your phone number right there and just go ahead and you can start your account. There is somewhere on here, I guess I can't get to it yet, but because I already have an account, you will be able to put like who referred you or whatever. Use the code DeGaroMO whenever it says that part. All right, bye.